Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the River Nile, since our previous lesson is about the impact of rivers, and now we're going to discuss this longest river in the world, and that is the River Nile. Please stay tuned as we go on, so that you will not miss anything. Alright? On this lesson, we're gonna learn how important is this river to people, especially during ancient times, how this river got its name, and how long really is this river. In fact, this river Nile is known as the longest river in the world. As what we have learned from our previous lesson, that 70% of the world's fresh water were found in the rivers. Therefore, this river Nile is very important to many people because this river provides fresh water, especially to those who live nearby. Class, do you have any idea how many people have benefited from this river Nile? Alright, that's what I'm going to tell you. This river Nile is located in Africa and become one of the most important rivers because it has sustained the lives of millions of people since ancient times. By the way, River Nile got its name from the Greek word Nelos, meaning river valley. And guess how long is this river? Yeah, it has 6,695 kilometers long. And that is the reason why River Nile is known as the longest river in the world. And this river is almost 900 times longer than the Singapore River. Alright, please take a look at the red arrows on the map. Here you can see that River Nile begins its flow from near the middle of Africa and ends in the Mediterranean Sea north of Africa. As the river flows continuously, it carried out sediments and deposited it in the river mouth. The red arrow that is pointing to the Mediterranean Sea in the river mouth on the map here is the Nile Delta. The River Nile have three tributaries. Number 1, the White Nile River. Number 2, the Blue Nile River. You can see that on the map here. And the Atbara, which flow through 10 countries. The 10 countries are Tanzania, Congo, Burundi, Rwanda, Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia, Sudan, Eritrea, and Egypt. Out of these 10 countries, Egypt depends most heavily on the River Nile, since we all know that Egypt is a dry country, which has little rain or no rainfall at all. Therefore, almost all the people of Egypt got their water most from the River Nile. The parts of the desert near River Nile flourish with life, thanks to the water from the river. Let us now look at how important River Nile is to people living along its banks, and how people have made changes to it. Alright, I hope that you have learned something from it today about the River Nile. So, have a nice day and stay safe.